Now we are going to create the receipt form. To create a receipt form, add a new tab page. Right click the form and insert page after current page. So we have a new page here. Change the page title to print receipt. Current tab text, change it to print receipt. Save it. I am going to provide the heading here. Copy the heading, copy and paste it in the receipt form. And I'm going to place one more label. Change the font to, click the three dots of the font property and give 12. Now I am going to provide the address, some dummy address I'm going to give. Change the text. So I have given some dummy address. And we have to place a label for receipt heading. Copy the label and paste it again. Change the text to fees receipt. Save the form and copy the heading subheading label and paste it. Change the text to bill number. Bill number, place it here. And we can copy the label again and paste it here, because this is fixed text bill number. This bill number we will place the bill number like 1 2 3 like that. And again for date, copy and paste it. Date. To display date, change the label to date. Copy and paste the label once again. This label we will dynamically change to the date of the bill. And paste the label once again. Change the label text to received with thanks from. from here we have to display the name of the person, student. So I am going to paste the label once again and make it to dash text. To display the name we can provide the received the thanks from the amount rupees. Copy the label and paste it. Rupees, and copy this label and paste it. Here we will display the amount. Again copy the label and paste it. For copy the label and paste it for the reason, and again copy the label, for label, and paste it. The date, to display the date on, copy this label and paste it again. And we have to place a thank you label. Copy the label and paste it. Thank you. Print thank you. For the signature column, copy any label and paste. For the school name, copy, paste it once again. Signature, signature, change the text, and place two buttons. One button is print and another button is cancel. Two push button. Print receipt, change the text to print receipt. Change the color of the push button. Go to style sheet, click the three dots, add color, select the icon, and background color, select background color, yellow, give OK, give OK, and copy the button once again and paste it. Copy and paste. This is for cancel. Save the form. We have created the receipt form. We will dynamically display the bill number, date, and the person's name and the amount, reason for the receipt, and date in this form. And when we click the print receipt button, it will make the printout of this receipt. Thank you for watching.